This is Mike with AskTractorMike.com. If you've lived in the city your whole life and you move to the country, you may watch these guys that are baling hay and thinking what a great lifestyle that would be, and plan on someday having big open hay fields, cutting, raking, and baling your own hay. Well, I have a really good friend named JD who does that for a living, and I had a chance to spend some time with him in a cab tractor this summer while he was baling hay, and we talked about the joy and the discomfort of that lifestyle. Hope you enjoy. JD is my idea of a true farmer. I don't think you've ever had an off-farm job, have you? This is all you've ever done. You know, there's people that watch my channel, that watch us baling the hay here, that just would love to get out of their office and away from their computer and do this. How do you feel about it? You've been doing it a lot of years.
Oh, I wouldn't trade it for nothing. But there is good days and you have bad days, just like in a job or anywhere else.
Yeah.
So, but I like to be my own boss and doing what I can do, and I can look back at the end of the day and look and see what I've got done.
We're in an area around Springfield, Missouri. A lot of big houses going in and a lot of property, you know, people buying 20, 30, 40 acres and build a nice house like the one we're baling next to. And then they need somebody to keep it nice, and JD wants hay, and so he comes along and bales it. And your driving skills are amazing. I'm just watching you navigate over these uneven, crooked windrows. JD, tell us about your history. You've been in it all your life.
Yeah, our farm is next door. We turned the Century Farm in 2011. So,
wow, 100 years of business.
My grandpa and then my dad was born and raised there, and I took it over. We've got a lot of history. We've seen a lot of changes in my area, but like I said, I like to look back and see what I've got done over the day or the past couple of months. I've raised a little bed of corn. I like to watch it grow.
Yeah.
Just kind of like hay. I like feeding hay to my cows.
You're a true farm guy, and that beep there, what's that telling us?
That means I'm about 4 inches from being to where it needs to be tied off at.
Okay.
You can adjust that any size you want. These are 5-foot bales wide, and I can adjust them from 40 to 72 inches high.
Now we're full. We got to stop pretty quick because everything's automatic there, right?
Yeah. It tells me when it's a tie-in, or if it's not tie-in, it'll tell me. And you know, and all I got to do is set, and then the bale thing will come up and tell me to eject the bale.
So you do that manually?
Yeah, I do that manually. That's the only thing that I have to do.
So once that last beep there tells you to get it out, it's out, the tailgate's down.
Yeah, and everything's ready to go.
And here we go across the field. Now tell us what's going on in the baler as we start out here.
I mean, it's starting the core of the bale right now. You know, the baler is empty, and they're trying to fill up each side of the baler. There's a monitor here, and it's got 2 marks that go up and down. And you try to keep them level if you can, being the same amount on each side. But to get it started, you kind of got to weave back and forth a little bit to get the bale started. If the hay is right and the hay is good, the windrow's wide, you don't have to do that. But if the hay is thin, kind of like this, you kind of got to help it get started.
And you're trying to keep it even from side to side is what you're saying. Get the same amount of hay on both sides.
Right.
And the monitor has their sensors back in the baler that are telling you which side's getting fuller than the other.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, because if it gets on one side and you fill up one side, you're going to have a
funny looking barrel bale or something.
Yeah, like a ice cream cone.
Yeah.
Bale. So, and then also you'll have trouble with your belts too, because they'll start running over one another if you don't watch what you're doing, if you don't keep it, you know, leveled out as best you can. Most of the time when you get it over about 40 inches, it'll pretty well, it's forming, the core's already formed. Now it's making it's got tension on it as it pushes out to help tighten the bale up. These bales here, I haven't weighed one. The guy that's helping me said he was having trouble picking them up with the pickup, but I'm gonna say they're weighing around 1,500 pounds.
Okay. A baler is classified by width. You have some 4-foot wide bales and 5-foot wide bales, and this is a 5-foot wide bale. It'll make a 6-foot tall bale, which is a heavy bale. A lot of people don't like that much weight in.
I do. I mean, there's a lot of. I feed a lot of hay to my own cattle, and when you're out here moving bales, you ain't got as many to move.
You want as much hay in that bale as you can get.
Yeah, because like I said, 1,500 pounds probably what these are weighing. A 4 by 5. These bales here are 5 foot wide by 5.5 foot tall.
Okay.
And they're probably weighing 1,500 pounds. A 4-foot bale by the same deal would probably only weigh 850 to 900 pounds. Now there's advantages of 4-foot hauling them. If you're hauling them down the road very far, you can stack 2 side by side. Mine here stick out a little bit on each side. You gotta watch the mailbox.
Watch your mailboxes and hope the sheriff's not around.
Well, usually they don't bother you out here in the country, but if you haul it down, especially the interstate,
yeah,
they'll probably frown on it.
Yeah. JD, I think a lot of people that are in my audience, move out to the country and they're living the rural life, and they see the neighbor across the road that's been doing what you do for years, and it kind of looks fun, and honestly it kind of is, but there is a downside too. If you're going to do this, what you see us doing in the field is one part of it, but the other part is all the maintenance that goes into this equipment. And I have to tell you, when I was in the dealership world, I got the longest prolonged butt chewing from this man, and you tore the tongue out of a baler, and we couldn't get the part in.
Yeah.
How in the world did you tear a tongue out of a baler?
Well, I was over south the highway, and it was in this tractor. I'm gonna tell you, this tractor, I just got it, and I wasn't used to all the buttons and switches over here, and when I turned, I accidentally hit one of the buttons over here, and it automatically, when I was on a turn, raised my 3-point arms. And it tore things up real good. Now, since then, when I'm baling hay, this tractor usually stays on the baler, I've got a fuse box here right behind where you're sitting. I pull the fuse, and that kills that.
Oh, good idea. Well, the stress of this job is off the scale. It's fun when everything's working, like a lot of fun, really.
Yeah, you got maintenance, the tear-ups.
Are not fun, indeed.
And you're trying to get the weatherman to hopefully tell you that it's not going to rain. The stress is sometimes will get to the better of you.
Yeah.
But you got to look. It took 4 trips most of the time. Right now it's hot, but if it's 3 of getting this field. We're running across it 3 times to get this hay on. We got to cut it. Sometimes we got to scatter it to make it dry better.
Yep.
And then we got to run across it and rake it, and then we run across it and bale it. And if you figure you got to come in and haul it, that's another trip across the field.
Yeah, and I don't think a lot of people that don't farm realize the amount of time that goes into it, especially in the busy season. You could work a lot of hours, and riding around in a tractor, you ever gone to sleep while you're doing this?
No, never have.
But I mean, the hours are long and it's a lot of work, but it can be fun. I'm going to break the video right here because I don't want this to go on too long, and I'm going to talk in our next video. I'm going to get JD's opinion about if I'm a guy that's moved out to the country and I think I want to have my own hay field and do my own hay, how we do that. But right now, we're going to call it quits for today, and we'll make that another video. I survive on web traffic. I'd be honored if you subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with other tractor enthusiasts, and like my Facebook page. And if you have questions or comments, put them down below. We'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching.